Hello everyone. Today's topic is in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. So I'm going to speak about that today. I'm going to tell you a very good story. I believe you'll like it. Now, there was a person who had a horse and he was poor enough and he needed money. He wanted to sell off his horse for $1,000. He went to a merchant and he spoke about it. The merchant said, no, I can give you $500. The person thought that yes, at least I'm getting something apart from nothing. So what he did, he went home and spoke to his wife and convinced her somehow that yes, let's sell it for 500. At least we will have something because our horse is old and it's injured and it cannot do anything more. So when he returned home to see the horse, he found the horse. The horse was dead. Now what actually happened when he was speaking to the merchant actually gave him $500 and said, this is my advance and full payment. So if you decide not to sell it, you can come back and you can pay the money. Now this was a difficult situation for that person who actually had the horse because the horse was dead. So what he did, he went to the merchant and somehow he gave the horse and said that the horse is not well. You need to treat it and so on. The merchant saw it. And because he had already given the money to him, he wanted the money back. Now, the person who received the money and the owner of the horse said, I have actually spent the money, I do not have the money. Either you take the horse or you don't take it. And he said, I promised you to give a horse, but I never promised that it will be dead or alive. Now this merchant said nothing. He took the horse with him and went away. After 4 to 5 months, the merchant came and hugged this person. This person, the owner of the horse, thought that might be the person will be angry with me, he will beat me up or he will do something. All of a sudden he asked like, I'm sorry, but just wanted to find out what about the horse. He said, that was already dead when you had given it to me. However, I have made a huge amount out of it. So this person was totally shocked. How it happened so? So what he did, he gave an advertisement and he said that anybody, you just need to pay 1 rupee each and you might win a horse. He received 10,000 rupees. Everybody, 10,000 people paid 1 rupee each and he got 10,000 rupees. And then he said, this is the winner, and he gave the horse to a person. The person came crying and said, you had given me the horse which is already dead. So he said, all right, I'll take back the horse and I'll give you 1 rupee. And he returned 1 rupee to the person. So see how this person made money, and he earned 9,999 rupees from a dead horse. So whenever there is a tough situation, rather the toughest situation rather, never give up. There always lies an opportunity in that tough situation as well. Trust my words, mark my words. Having said that, I'm saying goodbye to all of you. You can always come to my website, that is www.reachupal.com, and over there you will get free courses and many other things. Thanks to Rahul and thanks to Saurav. Have a great day. Goodbye.